Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will prepare Indian veg noodles for you all. This recipe is not only tasty but quick and easy as well. So let's talk about our ingredients today. We need noodles, oil, onions, green chillies, ginger, garlic, cabbage, carrot, capsicum, salt, crushed black pepper, Ajinomoto, vinegar, soy sauce. I don't like to use other veggies and sauces, and I like the way my noodles turn out using only these ingredients. If you want, you can add chili sauce, Szechuan sauce or any sauce or veggies of your choice. So without any further ado, let's start our recipe. I have filled my utensil with enough water and now I'm adding salt. Allow the water to a rolling boil before adding the noodles. Cook the noodles for 5 to 6 minutes or follow the instructions on the pack for cook time. Once the noodles are completely cooked, drain the noodles water and rinse them well under cold water. Now smear 1 tablespoon oil to the cooked noodles to prevent sticking. In my recipe today, I have used olive oil. You can use any refined oil of your choice. Heat a pan with oil on the highest flame. Now add crushed ginger and garlic to the oil. Saute it for 30 seconds. Now add sliced onions and toss them for a minute or two. Also add green chilies now and saute them as well. Next you add capsicum and carrot. And saute them for 30 seconds. Keep the flame high. Keeping the flame high is the main factor for helping us create the real taste. And then cover the lid for a minute. I prefer to cover the lid to cook the veggies enough for the crunchy taste. Now add cabbage. Again saute it for 30 seconds. If you want, you can cook all the vegetables together, but I like to cook carrot and capsicum little more than cabbage, so I do this way. And again, cover the lid for a minute. Now lower the flame and add noodles. Give it a mix, or else you can skip mixing it right now and you can add other condiments straight away. Add Ajinomoto, salt, crushed black pepper, vinegar, soy sauce. And now toss and mix them well for 2 minutes without burning. So you can keep the flame low while adding all the condiments to the noodles, and when you start mixing, you can high the flame again. I am adding more soy sauce as I am not happy with the color achieved. You can control the color of your noodles as per your liking. So now my noodles are ready to eat. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe and you will try this at home. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.